Morning guys, Jack Ashton Booth here from RSPB Investigations team. Just want to say, from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of my team, just a huge thank you. A massive thank you goes out to Birders Against Wildlife Crime, BORC, and supporters who fund our work day in, day out from the South Coast. You know who you are. If you feel like you want to support our work and continue to support our work, the appeal is still open. So please, please, please get in touch with our team and show your support. Thank you very much.